what we got right here are the insert of a mold that is usually mounted on the machine, opening, closing, and that is kind of the core of our process. So you see right here the inserts that are forming our product. Right here you see the finished product that comes out right here. So this is really the heart of our process. This is where all the magic happens, and also where we put all the efforts in to make it as precise as possible and also as stable as possible. The reason why everything is so thick and so stable is that these molds have to last more than 1 million shots in their lifetime. The mold is opening and closing several times in a minute during a cycle run. There's a lot of pressure applied on the molds during the injection molding process. So we got the pressure from the inside that tries to open up the mold, and also a clamping force that is applied from the machine that keeps the mold closed. We are talking here of forces for about 50 to 150 tons in our range. You can imagine that this will cause a lot of wear, so we need to find a way to stabilize everything and to make everything inside a mold reliable.